Welcome back. Let's do question 1013. A, B, and C are three events. The probabilities of these events or any combination of them occurring is given in the event diagram below. Are events B and C independent? So to check if the events are independent, we use the multiplication rule. If events B and C are independent, then probability of B and C should be equal to probability of B times probability of C. So we need to find the probability of B and C first. Probability of B. So looking at this region, that is the probability of B there. So it's going to be 0,1 plus 0,183 plus 0,2 plus 0,16. This should give you 0,643. And then we have the probability of C. Probability of C, we're looking at this circle. So which ones are we adding? We're saying 0,05 plus 0,15 plus 0,16 plus 0,2. And then this should give us 0,56. And then the probability of B and C. We're looking at this region. So we're adding 0,16 plus 0,2, which is 0,36. Now let's check if these two events are independent. So probability of B and C is equal to 0,36, and then let's multiply probability of B times probability of C. If we say 0,643 times 0,56, what we get? This is equal to 0,36. And therefore, we can conclude and say B and C are independent events.